Apple's AirPods 4 are just around the corner and they're packing some exciting new features and design updates. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love great audio, you won't want to miss this.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming AirPods 4, their design, features, and of course the official launch date. So, let's get started. First things first. Apple is releasing two versions of the AirPods 4, one standard and one premium. The premium model will come with active noise cancellation, much like the AirPods Pro, while the standard version will give you excellent audio without breaking the bank. Apple has also updated the design with a more refined and comfortable fit. Plus, both models are finally getting USB-C charging cases, which means no more fumbling with different cables if you've already made the switch with your iPhone or MacBook. Compared to the previous AirPods, you'll notice a sleeker stem design that's more compact, blending elements from the AirPods Pro and AirPods 3. This means not only a more stylish look, but also a better, more secure fit in your ears. But what about sound quality? The AirPods 4 will come with improved drivers, offering crisper highs and deeper bass. The premium model will also feature Apple's adaptive audio and spatial audio technology for a more immersive experience. Now for the big question, when can you get your hands on them? The official launch date for the AirPods 4 is October 2024. That's just in time for all the holiday shopping. Of course, with iOS 18 launching around the same time, the AirPods 4 will integrate seamlessly with your iPhone, offering AI-driven personalized audio recommendations based on your listening habits. So what do you think? Are you excited about the AirPods 4? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple updates. Until next time, stay tuned.